Pixel 9 series is still almost 5 months away from its official launch. But the internet is already buzzing with leaks and rumors. Today we've got a massive leak of the Pixel 9 Pro, so hold on to the video for a moment. Thanks to a reliable source, we've got hands-on exclusive images and details about the Pixel 9 Pro. It's like Christmas came early for tech geeks. Let's start with the base model. The Pixel 9 is poised to succeed its predecessor, the Pixel 8, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will take the reins from the Pixel 8 Pro. But wait, there's more. Introducing the Pixel 9 Pro, a new addition to the lineup that promises similar specs to the XL variant, but in a more compact form factor. Talking about the specs, the Pixel 9 rocks 12 GB of RAM, while its bigger siblings, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL, boast an impressive 16 GB of RAM. However, there's a slight disappointment in the storage department, with all models offering just 128 GB storage capacity. In a market where 256 GB is becoming the norm for flagship devices, this might raise some eyebrows. Yet, if Google can deliver the device at a more competitive price, the storage might sound a bit reasonable. Moving on to screen sizes, the Pixel 9 comes in at a respectable 6.24 inches, while the Pro variant ups the ante with a 6.34-inch display. For those craving even more screen real estate, the Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers with a generous 6.73 inches. But it's not just about size, it's about bezels too. While the Pixel 9 lags behind in this department, its Pro counterparts boast sleek, minimal bezels that rival the best in the market. Under the hood, all three devices pack Google's powerful Tensor G4 chipset. However, it's worth noting that only the Pro models support ultra-wideband technology, giving them an edge in connectivity. Additionally, the Pro models flaunt a triple-camera setup, whereas the Pixel 9 sports a simpler dual setup. The leaked images also reveal how Google's design language has evolved over the years. With flatbacks reminiscent of certain competitors like Samsung and Apple, Google is raising the bar in terms of aesthetics. In conclusion, it seems Google is trying its best to make the Pixel 9 series stand out in the smartphone market. While they may draw some inspiration from the competition, it's all in the spirit of innovation. After all, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, right? So are you excited to see what the future holds for Google's Pixel lineup? Stay tuned for more updates as we eagerly await the official launch. Also, let us know your thoughts about the Google Pixel phone. Do you think the Pixel series can really beat the likes of Apple and Samsung? Let us know in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.